Alright guys, we're gonna go on and replace for flat free wheelbarrow wheels. We got them right here, so we're gonna just take these out. Alright, and here they are. Okay, so there's different ones. These seem like a lot of plastic. Doesn't seem even like rubber. It doesn't feel like rubber. It is rubber, but it feels like plastic. Again, you can't go flat with these because they don't take any air in. Does depend when you're looking for some of these. You have to take a look at how much weight they can actually take, and that's because it depends what they fill it up with. So usually it depends. Some of them are just full rubber inside. They're very heavy. These are not that heavy. And then there's others that have something like a sponge inside. Not really a sponge, but something like that. And those are very, very light, pretty much. So these do come in a pack of 2. For the wheelbarrow that we are doing today, we just need 1. We do not need 2. If you guys can install 2, even if your wheelbarrow is just 1, I would highly recommend doing so, if you can. But for ours, it's just the 1. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. That's how this looks like. So I just wanted to do a close-up so you guys can see. And it does come with these that you might need. It really does depend on your wheelbarrow, but I'm going to show you today how we can change that. We just got rid of, well, we got sick and tired of other wheel just having to pump it all the time because they do not last. They should always come with these, in my opinion, although it's heavier obviously, but still. Anyways, right now we're just gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll show you how. All right, so luckily this is pretty basic. All we have to do is to take out this one, this one, this one, this one. We pull this bar down. There we go. We just change the tire. All right, so once it comes off, just take this out. You're gonna have to use the same one. You can use a new one as well. Take this out, keep it. You're gonna use it. Take this out as well. That's going to go in the middle of the other one. Now, keep in mind that some of the new tires do come with adapters, just in case it doesn't fit in here. Because it's supposed to fit just like the old one, pretty snug in there. Okay, it's supposed to be able to move around, yes, but pretty snug in there. All we gotta do with the new one, same thing. You see that? Fits nicely in there. Right now, you guys can put some grease if you like. Then we just put this guy, that keeps it in place. Next up, this guy, we're gonna do the exact same thing on the other side. And that's it. That's how this goes. Here we go, this is how it's supposed to look like at this point in time. We're just gonna put one in at a time. So here we go. And all we have to do right now is just tighten these guys up. We're pretty much done. And that's it. You guys just replaced it. That's how it looks like. Just make sure it rolls okay. And that would be it for today's video. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.